What are your rights if Southwest cancels your flight? Now, let's clarify. What we're going to talk about is if Southwest cancels your flight, not if you cancel your flight. So, if Southwest cancels your flight, according to the Department of Transportation, you are eligible for a full refund to the original form of payment that you made to purchase that flight. So they owe that to you. Most likely, they are not going to make that offer unless you ask for it. So instead, they're first going to offer to rebook you on a different flight. And after that, they're going to offer you what's called a travel credit. Now, we teach families fly free members to avoid travel credits at all costs. And that's because travel credits expire from a year from when you originally booked the flight that it's associated with, and they can only be used by the person that they are associated with. So let's just say we teach you inside Families Fly Free how to earn a Southwest Companion Pass, and one of your family members gets to always fly free with you. If that person has a travel credit associated with them and they're now flying free, you don't need to pay any points or any dollars for them. They are never going to use that travel credit, and that money is going to go to waste. So we don't recommend taking a travel credit. Instead, it would be better to get a refund to your original form of payment, and that will be either dollars or it would be points. And inside Families Fly Free, we teach our members to always book in points, because if you book in points and you cancel or they cancel you, you get all your points back to your account. They never expire and they can be used to book anyone. If you paid in dollars, and you booked a non-refundable fare, like a want to get away fare, you may end back up with a travel credit, which you don't want. So you are entitled to a full refund back to whatever method you paid. And they are also supposed to refund you any ancillary charges that you would have paid. So on other airlines, this might include like baggage fees or seat selection fees. On Southwest, this is most likely to be if you paid for early bird. And a lot of people don't realize that if you purchase early bird, which gives you an earlier boarding order than everyone else checking in, that if you cancel the flight, you lose early bird. You do not get that refunded to you. But if they cancel your flight, they are supposed to refund early bird, so make sure that you ask for that. So I hope that helps. I hope you don't have any Southwest flights that are canceled, but at least now you're prepared.